Hey guys, Ed here, and today I'll show you how to change and replace your headlight bulbs in a Toyota Sienna. So the high and low beam. Okay, so let's start. First thing we want to do, we want to open the door. Then we want to pop the hood. I apologize about the wind. Find the latch, raise the hood up. Take a stand, secure the hood, and alright. So here we have our low and high beam bulbs. So to remove bulb, I'll start with the high beam. This is the high beam bulb. So what we do, we just spin it and pull. Okay, so we have the bulb out. So next thing you want to do, you want to remove. Try not to touch the glass with your fingers. By pressing this pin here, press on it and pull on the bulb. This is how you disconnect the bulb from the connector. When you have the replacement bulb, same way you put it in, click it in till it clicks. Okay. After that, same way. Like you took it out, we're gonna put the bulb in and spin. That's it. This is how you do it. Okay, the low beam is a little bit different. Okay, so to get the low beam out, I really hope you guys can see it. It's very dark here. To get the low beam out, first you have to remove the connector. Okay, by spinning it and pulling it out, it's not gonna come out. So first you have to remove the connector. You press here in the middle and pull on the wire. Try not to pull on the wire. Try to pull on the connector, the plastic piece itself. After that, you can spin the bulb and get it out. Okay, so it's H11, just in case if you need to get one. You can get a bulb in any parts store and the dealer also, or buy it online. Shouldn't be a problem. Once you have the new bulb, same way, put it back in, find the correct position and spin. Okay, once you have the bulb in, connect the connector. That's it. This is how you do it. It's very simple. To get the turn signal, you must get your hand in here and you see the white connector, this one. You spin it and pull out. Okay, this is the easiest one. Once you have to take the bulb out, you just take it with your fingers and take it out. Okay. Then when you have to replace it, the same way you did before, spin it, and that's it. Okay, it's very simple, and it just takes. Once you do it once, you will know how to change bulbs forever. Same thing is with this side. Okay, so high, low, and turn signal behind there. So guys, I hope this helps, and if this helps, press like. I appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye.